Yeah. Hey y'all, so me and mom are going and looking for ugly sweaters at the thrift store, aren't we? So we are going to a Bonfire tonight by Miss Sheila, right?
Yes.
And yeah, so come with us to spend the day with us and start with our sweaters. So they actually got a big selection in this thrift store. Like, it's huge. Ooh. This is like cute. You're not, yeah, I feel like you're like not really staying on theme. Okay, so I decided on getting this one. I was gonna get this one. And then mom said I should glue some stuff as an ornament. I'm just gonna get this because it's already done for me.
We get a miscellaneous bag.
Okay.
But mine need to be uglied up.
Okay, y'all, so wash and dry our sweaters. They all dry. I'm gonna put this on. See my little outfit. And I got my boots on. And show them your boots.
Boots, come down. You have to come down. Boots, sweater. That's big pressure.
Not the little one. So we is ready for tonight to go meet the rest of the girls and see what they got on. And we're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna let y'all see what goes on at the Bonfire tonight at Miss Sheila family house and stuff. So enjoy the rest of the video, y'all. We picked up AJ and Mama, and we at McDonald's. You want to say hey? Be on my YouTube video. Hey! We done made it to the Bonfire. It's really nice. So my ladies are right here dancing. Hey, get out the phone then. Say hi, that's it. I'm finna go get by the fire. So the night is still young. We is at Nana house, and our moms want to be hoochie mamas and go to the club. Like, we not old enough to go to the club, but we gonna be at the house and be good girls.
Period, friends.
So we in the mission, period. $90 on gas. What you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What you gonna do for my birthday? Oh, I'm finna get some hot fry. $2.69.
Oh, well. Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Is a McDonald's over here?
Yeah, we just had one earlier.
Oh, $2 for $1. I get one of these. Cause I'm.
Give me back.
Thank you. You gonna be on my YouTube video? No.
Oh no.
You don't? Okay. I flirt with you though.
No, thank you. Oh, okay. You just had to scare the shit out of me, nigga. You didn't do right. Hold on. I'm hot. That scared. You scared Jaliyah. Guys, know me. He came to the car. He said, "You must be cigarettes."
So y'all, it was a successful night with the ladies. We had a good time. Our ladies are safe. We are traveling home. I see the cars in front of us. So we riding down the road. We got like an hour left. And don't be trying to be like an hour. We stay in Georgia. Everything an hour away, okay?
Everything fun.
Yeah, everything that you want to do this fun is about an hour minimum. So, yeah. We'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure, and y'all, we can't wait for this weekend. We're finna turn up. Bye, y'all.
Big pressure.